3, 5. Won't know what I expected this week. I'm alive. That's why I spent it this week. Country lines, counting this money, it's the end of the week.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Tykara, and today I'm going to be filming my 3-month lock update video. I started my DIY Microlocs about 3 months ago on the 22nd of November. So today I'm going to be filming my update, showing y'all what's going on with my locks. I even lost about 3 locks, so I'm going to tell you why that happened. I have like my notes and stuff right here in my hand. So the first thing that I've had a lot of issues with this month is unraveling. So I'm pretty sure at this point y'all know that I started my locks with 2-strand twists. And now with this, some of my locks have been braided at the ends and some of them were just twisted all the way to the end. And it's been rainy and just drizzly and high humidity for the past couple of weeks, and y'all, I've been having some real issues with my locks unraveling. I'm talking about to the point where, like, if I have this lock here, it'll be unraveled all the way up to here, and then all of this would be completely unraveled, and I would have to wrap it, and then I would have to either twist it back up or just braid the ends. So make sure that if you start your locks with twists and they're micro, make sure that you take the time to braid the ends. Now, I know that they may compromise some volume if you like that, but I'm telling you, you do not want 100+ locks unraveling and you having to go through and rebraid them or retwist the ends like I've had to do. So in order to save some time, you might have to compromise the looks. Go ahead and braid the ends. Trust me, you'll be so happy that you did so, because you don't want to have to go back and just deal with that. Go back and have to rebraid and retwist. It's just too much. The ones that are braided, they were able to withstand the humidity, didn't unravel, didn't untwist, anything like that. So the braids are definitely more stable. So I would recommend you doing that. Another thing that I've had going on is swelling. My hair is starting to swell and get a little bit thicker and fuller. That is why I'm able to wear this puff right now, because my locks have swelled a little bit. Not too much, but they're getting there. So now I'm able to have and rock a full puff like how I used to back in my loose natural hair days. So we're starting to swell. That's a good thing. The ones that are swelling are just getting bigger. They're expanding, but they're not completely unraveling, whereas some of them are just completely just unraveling. They're swelling, expanding, and they just keep on separating and keep on separating. No, some of them are actually expanding and they're staying, you know, tangled together. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so another thing that I want to talk about is like the texture of my hair. Overall, it's not as soft as it used to be, so that's also a good sign. I believe that some of my locks are budding, even though I don't like to just say, you know, throw the term budding out there like that a lot, but some of my locks are budding. I think that they are, so I'm really happy about that. So overall, my hair, like as I'm touching it now, it feels rougher than it used to be a month ago. So we're making progress. Another thing that I wanted to address, come on. I know y'all heard somebody knock. Oh, I thought somebody was coming in. Now another thing that I want to address is the products that I use, because I already know that y'all are going to ask me about it, you know, because some of y'all are new here. But I use the same exact products, y'all. In this spray bottle here, I have distilled water and about 2 to 3 drops of this rosemary oil. Let me get you a close-up here of what this is. So I have this rosemary oil, just a couple of drops. This stuff is really strong, so I wouldn't recommend, you know, going ham with this, because it's really strong. It smells very medicinal, so if you don't really like those kind of smells, then I wouldn't recommend it, but I like the way that it smells, so I will use this. I got this from Sally's Beauty Supply store. They have this in a whole bunch of different sizes and colors. I just got this one because this is what they had at the time. But when I went back the other day, I saw that they had one that was like really tall. So this is like the shortest one that they have, like this size, but they have a taller one, and they have pink, purple, black, blue, like all these different colors. So I got stuck with this plain white one, but it's all right. Another thing that I use occasionally, not that much, guys. When I say not that much, I mean not even once a week. I don't use it that often at all. Is oils. This one is the sweet almond oil. This one is the sweet almond oil. I also use jojoba oil because it's so thin, because it's not thick, and I feel like it wouldn't cause like buildup or anything. I just don't have any more of that right now. So sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, that works just the same. I use both of those. And then another thing that I know y'all gonna ask me is, what shampoo am I using? I'm still using this shampoo. Had this one with me since the beginning. I got this one at Ulta Beauty, not Beauty Supply, just at the Ulta store, you know, like the hair and makeup store. This is the Kenra clarifying shampoo. I use this one to wash my hair with. And whenever I'm using that, I do dilute it with water. I don't just, you know, take the shampoo and, you know, just scrub. If you have any other recommendations for any other shampoos, please let me know, because I would really love to know what you were using. So that I can, because this one is almost done anyway, so I just want to know what else that I could try out. So comment down below which shampoo that you use to wash your hair with, and I will try it out. I'll try to look for it anyway, see if I can try it out. Other thing that I want to talk about is retightenings. So I'm still retightening my hair every 6 weeks, about every 6 weeks. So 6 to 8 weeks, that's like the time frame that I retighten my hair, or my mom does it. But I'm trying to learn how to do it myself, you know, so that I can be self-sufficient, because I don't want her to have to do it all the time, because she has to do her hair too. I have a video of her retightening my hair. I'll put in the card up there, like nightly routines. Whenever I tie my hair up at night, y'all, I use one thing and one thing only. I use this. This got something on it. Okay. This is the slap cap. I ordered this for like around Christmas time, so I have this one. It's just purple, and the reason why I like this one is because I used to like bonnets because they're really easy to slip on and off of your head, but I started to not trust the bonnets anymore, because around the rim of the bonnet, like there's no silk or like silk-like material around the edges, so I didn't want to use that anymore. But this slap cap has silk on the inside, so like all the way around the edges. So whenever I put this on, I just bend my head over and put this on, slap it on, and I go to bed. And whenever I wake up in the morning, I rip it off my head. Not rip it off, I take it off of my head, shake my hair out, and then I'm out the door. So I would really recommend that y'all invest in a slap cap, because these things look like beanies, and you can also walk outside of the house with them instead of looking like, you know, you just woke up. You know, the bonnet has that effect to make you look like, girl, where you going? But this one does not. This one is cute, and it comes in so many different colors. I also have a black one. You know what? Let's just go ahead and address this, that I lost 3 locks. Yes. And the reason why I lost them, y'all are going to be so disappointed. They actually ripped out of my head. Like, I ripped them out of my head by accident. I wear my hair down most of the time. Like, this is very rare that I wear my hair in this puff. But at school and stuff, I wear my hair down most of the time, because it's just easier for me to do it that way. And it, you know, I just like it because it's cute or whatever. So guys, whenever I put my backpack on, I'm not used to my hair hanging down like low by my shoulders. And so whenever I put my backpack on and I take it off, a couple of my locks rip. And let me show you why I think that they ripped. So this lock in the back, so you see this lock right here. This lock has the, you know, the little curly ends, right? So this is a full lock. Now, ones like this, like these two right here, let me try to show you. You see the scraggly ends there? That's where it fell out. Like, that's where it ripped out, especially this one. If y'all saw my interlocking video, then y'all know that these locks back here were never this short. And my mom was like, well, you know, like, what happened to your hair? Like, those locks, did they rip out of your hair? And I was like, what? No. But whenever I realized that whenever I put my backpack on and I have to like move my hair out from under the straps, I was actually ripping my hair out the entire time that I was doing that. So be careful. Like, look, this lock is in the back. Look at how long this one is compared to this. These ripped out, y'all. And I have like 2, 3, about 4 of them in the back did that. So just be careful with these backpacks and purses and stuff, because you don't want to go from this to this. That's not a good look. So be careful. Don't rip your hair out. So now whenever I wear my hair down, I make sure that I just pull my hair up, put the backpack on, and go about it like that. Or if I wear my hair like this, I make sure that I just, you know, pick it up and be sure to be careful that you don't put the backpack or your purse or whatever on top of your hair, and then whenever you take it off or something, it just rips your hair right on out. And that's just how it happens. Alright, so I think that I addressed everything I needed to address in this 3-month lock update video. I hope that this helped you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you have any more questions for me or any advice or suggestions, please leave them down below in the comments. I really appreciate it. Also, if you want to find me anywhere else, you can follow me on Instagram. That is at @tykara.ann. You can add me on Snapchat. That is also at @tykara.ann. And you can also follow me on Twitter, which is at @tykara.ann. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hashtag and we out in the comments. And I'm out.